Alright, what's up guys? So, I got a DJI Mic Mini, came in one day. Let me see if I can put you guys down. So I don't really know where my tripod is, but I'm just gonna open it. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh. Nice packaging, nice packaging. The exhaust and intake sounds are gonna be crazy. This is nice. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's got the wind noise blocker thingy, the USB to USB-C charger. Oh, I'm assuming this is the actual mic. Ooh, nah, this is nice. Oh, damn, this really is mini. Holy shit. So I'm assuming this is the magnet. Oh, what did I just press? Oh, anyway, so this looks like the magnet. You slide it and it, oh, yep, you clip it like that. Damn. That's strong. Alright. So, let me get out the wind blocker. Let me see if I can open this. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, I'm assuming this is magnetic. So it has two. Okay. So clearly it goes on top like this. And boop. Oh, clips right in. Nice. Is it charged? No, it is not charged. Damn it. I'm assuming this is also the charger. Oh yeah. Nah, this looks crazy. I love it. This is great. No, I love this. I'm sure there's like a difference between these, but this is magnetic. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Alright, give me a bit. We're gonna go test out the mic after this is charged. Alright, testing it out. Ooh, I don't know how I sound. I'm gonna do the playback in a second. My mouth is like right up against the camera, or against the mic. So, oh, I'm so excited. Hold on, let me try clipping this on my shirt. Alright, so let's put it right here. Damn, that's already strong against my shirt. How do I sound? Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Alright, guys. So we got our new DJI mic. I hope the audio sounds crisp. Engine bay, nice. I'm about to fill the AC, that's why it's open. But anyway, we are gonna clip you somewhere here. Wait, so like, do I just like... Oh my god. So that clearly just like sticks here. Okay, so clearly on the mic, if you guys can see, pressing that button ends the recording. I did not know that. But like, okay, cool. I hope the audio sounds good. I forgot to grab a stool to set this up on. Let me go get that. Alright. Hope the audio sounds good. I feel like I should put it like right here. Yeah, cause like it's hitting the... Hold on. Oh my god. This magnet's like really strong. Alright, hold on. Alright, so DJI here. Okay. Oh, it's hot in here.